Many people gatekeep this information from you, but creating a full marketing campaign isn't as hard or time consuming as you might think. I actually fired my agency. I replaced them with a single automated workflow. I discovered that by connecting Claude to Higgsfield via an MCP server, I could turn a basic prompt into high conversion video assets in minutes rather than days. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact architecture I built to handle my creative strategy so you can stop wasting your budget on overhead and start running your entire brand from a single interface. Most creators are literally burning through thousands of dollars every month paying agencies to create content that takes weeks to deliver. Meanwhile, they're stuck waiting for revisions and dealing with miscommunication that kills their momentum. But this AI platform changes everything by letting you generate professional video ads, product shots, and marketing materials instantly. It's like having an entire creative team that works 24/7 and never needs coffee breaks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your own automated marketing system that creates scroll-stopping content in under 10 minutes. I've got the link to the platform in the description below, so you can follow along step by step. Step 1, setting up your workspace and connecting the platforms. Now, here comes my absolute favorite part, setting up this game-changing connection that literally transforms how you create content. The moment I connected the two platforms through the server, the AI started understanding my brand voice and visual style instantly. I literally went from spending 3 hours briefing my agency to getting perfect results in 30 seconds. First, we start by creating your account. Head to their website and sign up with your preferred account, like Google, Apple, or email. Then we continue by installing the MCP connector. This is what makes the magic happen. Click on the MCP and CLI button on your dashboard. From here, we can select MCP and choose this tool. After that, we can copy this link. Now we can go to their website and click on your account. Then hit Customize and click the connector icon on the sidebar. After that, click on the Add icon and select Add Custom Connector. Next, we can write the name and paste the link we copied before and click Add. We need to authorize first, so hit the Connect button and select Allow. Here's what most people don't know. You can actually customize specific tool access permissions right in the MCP configuration, instead of just tweaking basic data settings. You can set individual tools like Generate Image to require explicit permission or ask before execution and easily categorize them into read-only or write and delete actions. But wait until you see what happens when we actually start creating content. Step 2, generating photorealistic product images from text prompts. Now here comes my most mind-blowing part, watching AI create product shots that look like they cost thousands of dollars. When I generated my first product image, the AI created a studio quality shot with perfect lighting and composition. I literally stared at my screen for like 5 minutes because it looked better than what my photographer charged me $500 for. First, we can start a chat and type a clear and descriptive prompt. For example, I'll write this: cinematic high-end commercial shot of a luxury amber glass serum bottle resting on a polished white marble slab. Soft golden hour sunlight piercing through a window, creating long, elegant shadows and beautiful reflections on the wet surface. Blurred, minimalist bathroom background, hyper-detailed textures, photorealistic product photography. To make it even more accurate, you can also upload your own product photo as a reference. After that, hit the send button and watch it instantly optimize your prompt for the best results. Give it a quick approval for access, and the system automatically generates your image. If you want to make changes to the image, you don't need to start over or write a new prompt. Just write down what you want. It directly commands the generator to make those changes instantly, so you can tweak it until it's perfect. Here's what most people don't know. You can create entire product catalogs this way. I generated 50 different product shots for my client in under an hour, something that would have taken my agency weeks to coordinate and shoot. And this is just the beginning of what this setup can do. Step 3, crafting high-converting ad copy and script frameworks. Now, here comes my absolute favorite part, watching the AI craft conversion-focused scripts that actually make people stop scrolling. When I first tasked the system with creating an ad script, it analyzed my target audience and wrote copy that converted 40% better than my agency's version. I literally couldn't believe how it matched my brand voice instantly without any training. First, we need to set up a solid foundation by giving the system deep context about what we're selling and exactly who we're talking to. The trick here is feeding the AI your specific product specs and audience pain points so it can tailor the messaging flawlessly. Let me show you how I frame my initial brief to get a highly targeted copy right out of the gate. So I'll go with this. Write a 15 to 30 second script for UGC ads. The product is serum. The target audience is working women, 25 to 35 years old, dealing with dull skin due to stress/lack of sleep, and who want a quick morning routine. The goal is to achieve a naturally radiant, bright complexion that looks fresh even after a long day at the office, with a casual and chill tone. Create a table with 3 hook variations and a main body following a problem-solution CTA structure. Use 2 columns, visual and audio. Keep it punchy, fast-paced, and high converting. You can review those hooks first and instruct it to write the final script for your ads. The real game changer here is how the assistant can instantly adapt this same core message for different platforms. With a quick follow-up, you can get a TikTok version, an Instagram Reels version, or a YouTube Shorts version, all perfectly tailored to each platform's audience and format. Here's what most people don't know. You can feed it your best performing content, and it will analyze the patterns to create even better scripts. It's like having a copywriter who never forgets what works for your brand. But the real magic happens when we bring these scripts to life. Step 4, transforming scripts into final scroll-stopping video assets. Now here comes the part I'm most obsessed with. Watching the video engine turn those freshly written scripts into actual video ads that look completely professional. When I generated my first complete ad, it included perfect B-roll footage, smooth transitions, and even background music that matched my brand vibe. I literally felt like I had a Hollywood production team working for me. From the same chat, we can ask the AI to use the generated script and the generated image as the reference for the product. So I'll type this. Create a 30-second UGC style ad based on the generated image and script. The video should feel authentic, fast-paced, and casual. From here, we just grant permission for the AI to connect with the video platform. What's really incredible is how you can customize every single element. Don't like the font? Change it. Want different background music? Swap it instantly. And you can do all of that right from this single chat interface with a simple prompt. No more jumping back and forth between different websites. Here's what most people don't know. You can create multiple ad variations from the same script to A/B test what performs best. I generated 5 different versions of the same ad in 10 minutes, something that would have cost me thousands with traditional production. And when you see the results these ads generate, you'll understand why I completely transformed my content strategy.
Running on 5 hours of sleep, but my skin doesn't have to look like it. Stress and late nights usually leave my skin looking dull. A few drops of this serum and my skin instantly looks brighter and more awake. My easiest glow up before work. Try it yourself.
Let's talk numbers for a second. If you hired a marketing agency for this level of content creation, you're looking at $5,000 to $10,000 per month minimum. If you learned traditional video production and copywriting, that's literally years of practice and thousands in equipment costs. With this tool, you're getting professional grade results for less than your monthly coffee budget. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Trust me, I was super skeptical too until I saw the results. What if the AI doesn't understand my brand? The MCP connection actually learns your style preferences, so you just need to give it references. Won't my content look generic? Actually, the customization options are so detailed that your content will be more unique than template-based agency work. Is this going to replace human creativity? Not at all. It amplifies your creative ideas and handles the technical execution so you can focus on strategy. Here's what this setup gives you. Immediate content creation that used to take weeks, the confidence that comes from having unlimited creative assets, serious cost savings that you can reinvest in growing your business, and the creative freedom to test ideas without worrying about production costs. Ready to transform your content game? Head to the link in the description to start your trial and begin building your automated marketing system today. And if you want to see more AI tools that are literally changing how we create content, make sure to subscribe because I'm totally obsessed with finding these game changers for you. The creators who adopt this technology now are going to have such an unfair advantage over everyone still doing things the old way. Don't let that be you.